Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are just an added bonus, nothing artistic. I am just flipping through these 3 collage books that I've recently purchased on Amazon. Collage Soup I did show in a haul. I have not hauled these yet with my recent purchases, but I wanted to do this video just to show you that there are books out there, and especially if you type in, especially Amazon, cut out and collage, so much comes up. All of these pretty much come up. The Collage Soup does have a series. They have, probably 10 or more than that of different books that are available. I simply have purchased Flower Power because you know me and a good floral. This one was a recent one, 600 images. This is volume 5 of this series. I believe there were 7. And then Whimsical Women number 2. So obviously there's also a number 1. I will leave all 3 of these linked down below. I will put this just to music so that I can just flip through them for you. That way you can see the illustrations. These are truly just purchases so that I can get into a little bit more art journal, and these are in essence like my focal image. Usually, you do your backgrounds, you'll do some stamping, you'll do some stenciling in the back, and then you want to put something as a focal image, not to say center, but your main element that your eye is drawn to, and then incorporate it into your rest of the artwork. And these serve that purpose in case you don't have enough magazine clippings. By all means, if you have magazines and you have plenty of cutouts, then you don't need these. But in case you like the artwork, I'm just going to flip through them so that you can see. So we'll start off with this one, and I'll go as fast as I can. Like I said, I'll put it through to music. Maybe I'll put the footage on like 2 times the speed so that it's not so long. That way you can decide if any of these are for you. So this is truly just to help you in case you are curious about art journaling and need some collage elements. Instead of rifling through millions of magazines, you can just pick up 1 or 2 of these, or even just search on Amazon. Once you put this in, you'll get suggestions of other ones that are similar. So without further ado, let me put this one to the side and we'll start with Whimsical Women. Okay, that will wrap up the flip through of these 3 books that are recently to my collection. And so I want to do the flip through so that I can start cutting into these. That way I have a record of what they look like in case anyone ever asks for the imagery. You can come back to this video as a reference. And yeah, okay, like I said, I'll leave them linked down below to check out, or just put into your Amazon search cut out and collage books and tons will show up. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.